Welcome to another dish from Bullez's Turkish kitchen. This is the second part of a two-part series in using the Cypriot speciality root vegetable taro. Today I'll be making baby taro, or Bullez in Turkish. Traditionally fried, I'll be adding potatoes and peppers also for a variation to this well-known dish. Here's what you'll need. All the details are also in the description. Let's get started. Trim off the tops and scrape the outer layer of the baby taros. I've used a kilogram, which is about 6 small to medium sized taros. Once you've scraped off as much as you can, peel the remaining outer layer. Then you'll need to clean the taros with a clean cloth or paper towel, as the taros must not be washed as they become slimy and difficult to handle. Once cleaned, cut the taros into equal-sized pieces ready for frying. Make sure the pieces are not too big, as the middle would not cook well. Then prepare the potatoes in the same way. I like to scrape off and leave some of the skin on for a rustic look, but if you prefer, you can peel off the skin completely. Cut the potatoes to about the same size as the taros. Pour enough olive oil to shallow fry in a large frying pan. When the oil is hot, start by frying the potatoes first to avoid them changing colour. Fry the potatoes in batches and avoid overfilling the pan. Sprinkle on some salt and chilli pepper. Gently turn from time to time to cook evenly on all sides, keeping the heat on high to medium. Once the potatoes are a golden brown, remove from the pan and drain the excess oil on a paper towel or in a colander. Repeat until all the potatoes are fried. Then move on to frying the baby taro in batches. Sprinkle with salt and some mixed herbs. Turn from time to time to evenly fry on all sides. Once golden brown, transfer to drain the excess oil. Repeat until all the taro has been fried. There is the option now to fry some peppers. I have 3 cayenne and 1 bell pepper. Be careful as the oil may splash. Drain on a paper towel. Time to put the dish together. Place the taros, potatoes and peppers into a serving dish. Top with some lemon juice to your taste. This dish works well with garlic yogurt and fresh salad. Try out my recipes for these. Afiyet olsun. Enjoy. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes from Hülya's Turkish kitchen. Thank you for watching. See you next time.